At some point late last night, early this morning, Autel Robotics decided they were going to update their website with new information about the Autel Evo. I personally did not go out to the website and look at this information. One of my subscribers hit me up in my comment thread on one of my videos and told me to go check it out. So thank you, Chino Santana. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. Thanks for the tip. I really appreciate it. Anyways, we're going to talk about it coming right up. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button after the video. So Autel Robotics has finally given us more information about the Autel Evo. Finally, we've complained, or I've complained, we've asked for it, we've demanded, and finally it's coming. Now, they did say that it would launch at some point in the second quarter, which we're well within, and finally we have support and facts that it is definitely coming. They have tweeted out several times, Evo is coming, and they've also updated the website with additional information. Now, much of this information has all relatively stayed the same, and I'll go ahead and make sure I include a link to the page below so you can check it out for yourself. I'm not going to cover all of the details because everything I've been saying has really remained true. There is still no presence of a 1-inch sensor here. We're still getting 4K 60 frames per second. We now definitively know what size the battery it is. It is a 4,300 milliamp hour battery. That is a 3-cell battery, good for 30 minutes of flight time, which is awesome. The range is still 4.5 miles. They do list the gigahertz in which that it's going to transmit. And in looking at the transmission signals, it is very close to that of the Phantom 4 Pro and the Mavic Air models. So if you were hoping for some OcuSync style distance, I don't think you're going to find it here, but it is still going to be a vast improvement over that of the X-Star. Overall pricing still isn't listed on the website, nor is availability, but they are still taking pre-orders at the major 3 players, which is Carolina Drones, DrillWorks, and B&H Photo. Now, be careful anytime you do place a pre-order because there is no guarantee on shipping times, so that money could sit out there and being held on a credit card. My best suggestion to anybody is still just watch and wait and see if Amazon lists a pre-order. I did reach out to Autel Robotics to ask them if they were going to be shipping with Amazon at launch, and I haven't yet gotten the response. Some of the images that they did put up look really great and crisp. I don't know if they were touched up or anything, they are just really super nice images. There is a new application. They are touting that. It is going to be the Explorer app, and it does look to be in its completed form. And they do have a link for the Android store and Google Play Store, which means the application is definitely in its approval process because otherwise there wouldn't be links. Everything is pointing to an imminent release of the Autel Evo very, very soon, and I would expect May, first or second week of May, we are going to get our hands on with this drone, and it's been much awaited and anticipated. So I definitely look forward to making future videos with this drone once I do get it. But that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you go ahead and throw it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, that other button definitely works fine as well. And as always, stay original. We'll catch you next time.